4 amazing websites blow your way. 90% of you don't know about them. Just check this out. And the first website for today quickly, that is recraft.ai. It's a marvelous website to generate high quality graphics, vectors, images. This amazing tool converts text to image using AI. And the best part, it's a free tool and all these outputs for personal and commercial purposes. Therefore, now let me take you in a quick tour in this amazing website. Thus, let's get started and head over this button, get Recraft free, click over it. And here you can join this amazing website using your Gmail or your Google account. Then you will be taken to this dashboard of your account here in Recraft AI. And one of the most amazing features here in this amazing tool, here you can insert your prompt and your description of your image you want to generate. And up here you can select any style to generate your graphic or your vector, logo, and so on. So when you click over this arrow, here you can find various styles to generate your images. Like you can find vector art, and here you can find subcategories like line art, flat, line cut, doodle, and so on. Or illustration category, here you can find subcategories like glow, hand drawn, 80s, kawaii, watercolor, and so on. Or icon category, you can find outline, pictogram, broken line, and so on. Or 3D illustrations, plastic 3D or 3D render, and so on and so forth. Thus, here you find a plethora of the styles to select and generate high quality outputs as you like. So if you look at this default prompt, a portrait of a modern businessman, and it's a style vector. Thus, it led to this cool vector as you see. So how about recraft this amazing prompt to a different style? So we can go to this arrow and select your style as you want, like vector art, and select together this line art, for example, and click over this button, Recraft. Just a few seconds, a cool line art of this amazing prompt as you see. And of course you can find here 2 variations, this one or this one. And of course you can recraft it to generate more line arts or different styles as you like. And now let me show you another awesome feature here on recraft.ai. So for example, if we select one of these default prompts, like this one, for example, this building with this prompt, a modern architecture building in the evening, you can find down here, add palette colors. So here you can add some coordinated colors to this amazing image as you want. For example, if we click over this add palette, you can find a set of different amazing palettes to use to colorize your image as you like. So if you select this one, for example, and click over this button, Recraft, as you see, amazing, isn't it? And as such, in every single image you want to generate your image with new colors, with different palettes, and so on. Moreover, there are 2 amazing features left in this amazing website, recraft.ai. Number 1, if you select one of these beautiful outputs you generated, like this one, for example, you can find up here 3 different options to edit this amazing photo. Either you can remove the background of this image and keep the main character of this image. So you can use it for free to remove this background. So let's try it, remove background, and just a few seconds, as you see. Or you can vectorize it and turn this amazing image to a vector. And the third one is repaint region. Either you can draw something, or you can colorize a specific region here in this image, and so on and so forth. And the number 2, how you can download these outputs for free to your device. There are 2 options. Either you can go directly to your image and hover it and right click on your mouse, and here you can find different options to download your image or your vector, PNG or JPG as you see. And the second option, you can head over up here, this option, this save, and here you can find different options to download your image or your output. Whether it is PNG, JPG, or bigger size PNG, JPG, and so on. That's the first website in today's video, this awesome tool, recraft.ai. And now let's move on quickly to the next website in today's video, that is Synthesis X. It's a Chrome extension that you can add in your Chrome browser. And this mind-blowing tool enables you to generate new versions of any image you come across in the internet. And these generated images are unique and copyright-free. So after adding and activating this awesome tool, Synthesis X, to your Chrome browser, so for example, we can head over Google Images and search for unicorn designs and images as you see. So for example, if we want to generate new versions and new copies of this image, for example, this one, and this image belongs to Vic Teasy, okay, so it's a copyright image. So you can right click over this image and select revisualize this image. And a new window pops up to generate new copies of this amazing image. As you see, amazing and cool tool, isn't it? So you can download it for free to use it in your commercial purposes as you want. So this amazing tool is Synthesis X. And the third website quickly is Desgo.com. Desgo.com is a competitor to Midjourney, where you can generate high quality images using AI and convert text to image. All you have to do, just you can come here to this awesome tool and this awesome website and insert here your prompt, like a cute tiger, for example, tiger, and select your model here from this drop down menu, like Dream Shaper, Stable Diffusion, and so on. So you can select this one, for example, okay, and click over this button, run, and just in a snap here you can find your high quality output as you see. Then you can download it as you like. The fourth website in today's video, that is odan.net. It's a splendid website that enables you to search for any image across 40 websites to get high quality images for free for your commercial and personal purposes. So for example, if we type here something like unicorn or tiger or anything else, like flowers, for example, and this amazing website shows you the all websites that contain your flower pictures. And for sure you can find all these images in different free royalty stock photos images that give you free images with commercial license, like Pixabay, Unsplash, Kaboom Pix, Ivory Public, Realistic Shots, Foodies Feed, Picography, Negative Space, and so on and so forth. So here we are on Unsplash. Here you can find a lot of different pictures for flowers. So you can select as you want, or you can go together to Pixabay, okay, to explore a lot of different images of flowers. Perfect. Or of course you can download as you like from this one, save image as, or you can head over Picography, for example. All these websites in one place, odan.net. So you can select as you like from these beautiful results. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.